Flash Gordon, all the way. So I'm going to go upstairs and I'm going to get me an international debit card. And you might wonder, what is an international debit card? Well, it's a card you can put 10,000 bucks on. I don't think anybody's got 10,000 bucks in cash to do so. But I'm going to get one of those so I can show you how they work. Now, I don't want to cause too much trouble because these people, you know, they have to provide security for the people. And that's kind of what we do. So I'm here heading out to Las Vegas, Chicago, Miami, New York, Nebraska, West Virginia, Country Road, take me home, and just want to thank you for, you know, all the good stuff you've done. Now, of course, while I'm talking, I can pretend like, you know, I'm just doing something. Oh, I've got to get cash. Okay, so I'm going to go to the ATM and empty out my checking account. And Trump, I did not get my Trump bump, but I still got my Social Security. Johnny Exodice, out.